This is the first time ever that I have a big, massive camera following me on a gimbal. All hands-free, all thanks to the AI sensor on Hohem iSteady MT2. So today we have a very special gimbal, Hohem iSteady MT2. Inside the box is this beautiful bag, and inside the bag, of course, we have the gimbal. Now Hohem iSteady MT2 is ready, and I can't wait to show you all the key features. But just to mention the basic, the weight of the gimbal is 653 grams, and most importantly, the payload is 1.2 kilograms. So yes, it can hold my Alpha Sony 6400 even with bigger lens, which I will be showing you in this video. But this is the setup that I'm having right now. So this AI sensor, it is magnetic, very quickly attached and detached as well. And this allows for AI tracking you without any requirement of the app and without any Bluetooth connection. I'm sure you've never heard of it in any other gimbal brands, but just Hohem. So this AI sensor, tiny AI sensor, is truly amazing. The magnetic AI sensor can just easily go onto the gimbal. That's it. And all I need to do is give a little OK sign. And yes, it's now gonna start following me around. And let me quickly pause. The AI sensor can be activated at a greater distance. So let me show. Yes. So I'm at about sort of 3-4 meters away from the camera. And yes, the AI sensor got activated. So that's amazing. I can move around. Another thing is, because the gimbal has great degree of angle, I can sort of dump down, move up, and I guess I can sort of jump around and it will follow me around sort of everywhere. So it really eases up the burden of production because it frees up your hands, frees up the budget because you don't need to hire the extra cameraman for your YouTube production, your content creation. And amazingly, I do have my Alpha 6400 with the Sigma 60mm lens. And I was surprised that the gimbal worked very well with my Sony Alpha 6400 together with Sigma 16mm lens. But mind you, this is when the camera is standing rather stably on a tripod. Hohem iSteady MT2, it does have the payload of 1.2 kilograms. So it can handle quite a decent sized professional camera. One thing I want to show you is how truly AI it is. So there is a little pillar, so I'm gonna move across, but it quickly recognizes me again. Okay, you don't want to challenge it too much. However, this kind of little obstacle, it's not a problem for the AI sensor to recognize the subject again. Another great thing about Hohem iSteady MT2 is that yes, it is 4-in-1 camera setup. What does that even mean? It can have 4 different camera devices adapted to the gimbal. So right now, yes, I do have Sony Alpha 6400 with 60mm lens. Let me try not to fall. It can of course do action camera. It does have adapter for the action camera. Also, you can attach a compact camera, and of course, the best camera device is the smartphone. So this is a phone holder, really sturdy, and it comes with this plate, all Arca Swiss compatible. And of course the smartphone can go into vertical as well as portrait mode. The microphone can also go into all these different cool shoe mount that's suitable for both horizontal as well as vertical. So in this case, I can just place my microphone here. And there is a gap at the bottom. I can definitely place my USB Type-C onto my smartphone. So what you want to do with the vertical smartphone? Well, you want to activate the AI sensor. So just go like this. And yes, the light turned green and the smartphone will start following me on Hohem iSteady MT2. And I can sort of move around, which means you can sort of dance around in front of your vertical camera, which is the thing right now. So how about the camera? Can it go vertical? A notable feature is that it can actually go from horizontal into vertical really fast. First, I'm gonna turn the gimbal into sleep mode by double pressing the power button. So all I need to do is unlock the lever as well as unlock this button. Take it off and need to swap it this way. Ta-da! Now we turned into portrait vertical mode. So you can easily film anything professionally with the camera vertically attached. And what's even more special about the AI sensor is that it is light as well. So all I need to do is just press, long press to turn the light on. So you don't need any more hands or anything. Just hold it and then actually turn to dim to strong light. And with just one thumb, so you can still hold it and change everything in the light. So if I turn, it will turn into warm color temperature, and it can also go into the cold white temperature. And if I press another 3 times, then it can turn and it goes completely into smooth RGB light that you can go from any color spectrum with just a touch of the thumb. Another really convenient way that Hohem is helping us to make a perfect videography is having a lot of different cables. So this one is what's suitable for my camera. So what it does is that I need to just press the shutter button and it will start recording. And if I press the shutter button one more time, then it will stop recording. With all these cables included in the package, I'm currently charging my camera because it's running out of battery, the Sony camera. Hohem iSteady MT2 can charge camera devices all thanks to 2600 mAh battery that can last up to 17 hours. Now I want to show you another very interesting function. There are A and B buttons, and which means you can do motion time lapse with just ease of button. Since I want to do wide landscape, I've got my mobile phone out because I don't have like zoom lens, and my small lens on camera is a little bit zoomed in. It's a 35mm, so it's not the best lens for time lapse. So instead I got my mobile phone out. So all I need to do, I'm gonna set it into hyperlapse function within the native camera app. And I'm gonna start from this direction, then long press A, and then I'm gonna move into the mountain area where you see the clouds, and then long press B, and then quickly press A to go back to A. And then all I need to do is double press B button, and then it will move from A to B. And I'm just gonna turn on the hyperlapse, double press B, and then here we go. So the entire gimbal, actually design of it looks very similar to Hohem iSteady M6, which is I think one of the strongest mobile phone gimbal out there. And design is the same. However, this iSteady MT2, it does have upgraded motors and so on because it is a camera gimbal. So you can see it is holding my camera very, very well. And with such strong motors, of course, it can do inception as usual. And the great thing about inception, the gimbal can turn into inception mode while it's on portrait mode as well. And it just does it automatically, so you don't have to worry about your joystick movement. This pre-programmed inception just does it for you, so it is buttery smooth. Same thing with the phone as well. Just triple click the mode button and it turns into the inception mode. Now the final key feature that I want to talk about is that you can, for the precision, you can control your Hohem iSteady MT2 with your mobile phone for really precise movement control. Before we go, there are little details such as screw to hold the camera and also the little piece of metal to even further tighten the screw. These little details in Hohem iSteady MT2 really shine. So I've been playing with this gimbal for a while and really liking it. And with the AI sensor, it really allows me to go hands-free with no requirement of having a cameraman behind the scene. So that is really excellent, and it would save you a lot of money in your production in that case. If you want more information about Hohem iSteady series, then please check out the link down below, and I'll come back with other interesting reviews. So see you!